So today I'm talking about a P0091 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a P0091 code? Well, it's a fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit low. And so what does this mean? Well, basically many modern vehicles these days, they have two fuel pumps. There's going to be a low pressure fuel pump inside the gas tank, and then bolted to the engine, there's going to be a high pressure fuel pump that's sending high pressure fuel to the fuel rail and to the injectors. But when you get this P0091 code, the computer's seeing a problem inside the system, mainly with this fuel pressure regulator, and so it's got to be troubleshooted to know why. So the basics of what's going on with these high pressure fuel pumps is that they're going to be bolted to the engine. They're going to be riding on a cam lobe, which is going to allow them to pump up the high pressure needed for the engine. And located on the high pressure fuel pump is going to be a solenoid that is used to control the fuel pressure. This solenoid is basically the fuel pressure regulator. Depending on the vehicle, the year, the make, the manufacturer, it can have different names. It could be called the high pressure fuel pump actuator, a metering unit, a control solenoid, a flow rate control valve, different things like this. But basically, usually this fuel pressure regulator is just that solenoid that's located on the high pressure fuel pump. Of course, it's always a good idea to get a diagram for the specific vehicle being worked on. That way you know for sure what's going on with it, since there can be differences between vehicles, manufacturers, year built, and things like this. But usually that fuel pressure regulator is going to be the solenoid bolted on to the high pressure fuel pump. And so what are some possible causes of a P0091 code? Well, the main things that's going to cause this is either that solenoid's gone bad that's located on the high pressure fuel pump, or the wiring going to it. So there's going to be some different ways you go about troubleshooting this. You can't test the wiring going to the solenoid to be sure it's good. There's no open, short, it's got good connections, things like this. Or you could go test the solenoid and check to see if it's gone bad. Like any solenoid, these can be tested with the multimeter using ohms, where you go check it, you check to see what the resistance value is, and then you look up what that solenoid's rated to be at, since there is differences between solenoids. And if it goes outside that, then you know it's bad, you know it needs to be replaced. So you can use a multimeter, go test that solenoid and check to see if it has gone bad. And if it's good, then you know it's going to be inside the wiring, you know there's going to be some kind of issue going on there. You can also use a multimeter, get wiring schematics for the vehicle, and go and check the wiring going to that fuel pressure regulator solenoid, and be sure that there's no open or short or anything like this. It's also a good idea to go check for any blowing fuses and possibly a bad relay or anything like that. If you get wiring schematics, that'll tell you which fuse or relays or anything like that it might be on. But it's a good idea to go check for any blowing fuses, because the most common causes of this P0091 code is going to be either that solenoid's gone bad and it needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0091 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.